In this video, we'll combine strategies from 5 essential books to build a roadmap for success. You'll learn not only the concepts, but also step-by-step applications backed by real-world examples. 1. Use strategic planning and adaptability from the Art of War. Sun Tzu teaches that success comes from strategic preparation and adaptability. In modern life, this principle applies to both personal and professional success. Step 1. Analyze your environment. 1. Assess your situation. What are your goals, resources, strengths, and challenges? 2. Example, before launching my first business, I spent months researching competitors and customer needs, ensuring I knew both the market and myself. Step 2. Adapt to change. 1. Be ready to change tactics when circumstances shift. 2. Example, during the pandemic, many companies adapted by going fully digital, ensuring they could still operate despite physical closures. Step 3. Exploit weaknesses and strengths. 1. Know the key pressure points in any competitive environment. 2. Example, in a negotiation, identify areas where your counterpart may need leverage, such as tight deadlines, and offer solutions that benefit both sides. Visual symbol. A chessboard represents strategic planning and calculated moves. 2. Navigate social power with the 48 laws of power. Robert Greene reveals how social dynamics and power structures influence success. Navigating these structures strategically can position you to thrive. Step 1. Conceal your intentions. Law 3. 1. Avoid revealing too much about your plans. 1. Keep others guessing. 2. Example, I once negotiated a business partnership by keeping key details private until the right moment. 2. This helped me secure better terms. Step 2. Avoid overshadowing superiors. Law 1. 1. Don't inadvertently make those above you feel threatened. 2. Example, early in my career, I learned to give credit to my managers for team successes, building trust and avoiding conflicts. Step 3. Adapt and be unpredictable. Law 48. 1. Flexibility can prevent others from anticipating your moves. 2. Example, a top competitor who frequently adjusted their product strategy caught our company off guard, forcing us to rethink our rigid approach. Visual symbol. A mask symbolizes the concealment and adaptability required in social power dynamics. 3. Improve decision-making with thinking. Fast and slow. Daniel Kahneman highlights how we think in 2 modes, fast and intuitive and slow and analytical. Both have advantages, but it's crucial to know when to use each. Step 1. Recognize cognitive biases. 1. Be aware of shortcuts like anchoring and confirmation bias. 2. Example, in a sales scenario, customers often anchor their expectations on the first price they hear. 2. Knowing this can help you frame negotiations in your favor. Step 2. Slow down critical decisions. 1. Use deliberate thinking for important choices. 2. Example, before signing a major investment deal, I forced myself to analyze every clause, avoiding impulsive mistakes. Visual symbol. A split-brain diagram represents the dual systems of fast and slow thinking. 4. Master persuasion techniques from influence. Robert Cialdini identifies 6 principles of persuasion, including reciprocity and social proof. Step 1. Leverage reciprocity. 1. Give value before asking for something in return. 2. Example, offering free advice to potential clients often led to greater trust and higher sales. Step 2. Use social proof. 1. Demonstrate that others have trusted you or your product. 2. Example, displaying client testimonials boosted conversion rates for my business website. Visual symbol. A raised hand symbolizes ethical influence and persuasion. 5. Pursue long-term excellence and self-mastery with mastery. Robert Greene emphasizes mentorship, deliberate practice, and resilience on the path to mastery. Step 1. Seek mentorship. 1. Learn from those who have already mastered your field. 2. Example, I improved my public speaking skills by shadowing a mentor with years of experience. Step 2. Embrace deliberate practice. 1. Focus on improving specific weaknesses. 2. Example, musicians often rehearse difficult sections of a piece repeatedly rather than practicing everything equally. Step 3. Overcome obstacles. 1. Failure is part of the process. 1. Learn from setbacks. 2. Example, early business failures taught me critical lessons about managing cash flow and customer relationships. Visual symbol. A radiant path symbolizes lifelong mastery and growth. Real-life integration example. Imagine you're an entrepreneur. 1. You strategically plan your product, the art of war. 2. Build alliances and navigate power dynamics, the 48 laws of power. 3. Avoid decision-making traps, thinking fast and slow. 4. Persuade investors using reciprocity and authority, influence. 5. And continuously refine your expertise, mastery. Conclusion. Combining these strategies creates a comprehensive roadmap for success. Which principle resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life strategy insights.